I'm going to share an Intell-Hood story that many of you may not know. But Intell-Hood would not be here today had we not really thought outside the box many years ago, when at the time we were developing this product. The whole idea of varying the speed of an exhaust fan was counter to everything in the minds of the engineer and the manufacturers and contractors, because there was codes that required that you operate at a minimum duct velocity of 1,500 feet per minute. So I'm there exhibiting at trade shows talking about this variable speed controller, and I was told hundreds of times, you can't do that. NFPA, National Fire Protection Association, requires that you maintain a minimum duct velocity. I say, well, why is that? And they say, well, I don't know. It's just always been that way. And I said, well, that doesn't make sense, you know. And so sometimes I'd get a halfway decent answer in that the reason was you want to entrain the grease up the stack so that it doesn't fall back down onto the appliances or something. But it sounded kind of, you know, weak. So then I go before code bodies and I try to change the code. I say, this is ridiculous. Why are all these fans running at full speed? Why can't we slow the fans down? And I remember waiting all day to get to testify before this committee. There's hundreds of people, and by the time I got up, I only had 1 minute to make my case. And one of the questions was, well, how many of these do you have installed? I say, none, because I can't because of the code. And they say, rejected. And I walked away from that experience thinking, all right, I'm going to install as many of these things as I can, and next time I show up, I'm going to say I've got 100 of these installed, and they're working great. I think there's a lesson in that story, because ultimately, not only did it go from being allowed in code, now it's required by code that we be able to slow the fans down and save energy. And in fact, it's more fire safe to not entrain grease up a duct and throughout the building and contaminate the entire duct system with this flammable substance.